Welcome. If you want to show your year of birth to the people you follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. In just a few quick steps, you can customize your profile and share your birth year with your Twitter community. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your tweets and account details. Next, find the Edit Profile button at the top right of your profile page and click on it. This opens up the editing options for your profile, allowing you to make changes to your display name, bio, and more. Now, scroll down to the section labeled Birth Date. Click on it, and a pop-up menu will appear. In this pop-up, click Edit again to access the settings for your birth date. Here's where you can decide who gets to see your birth year. Click on the Year option, and from the list of visibility choices, select People you follow. This setting ensures that only the accounts you follow will be able to view your year of birth on your profile. Once you've made your selection, don't forget the final step: click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your year of birth will now be visible to the people you follow on X. Customizing your birth date visibility is a great way to share a bit more about yourself while keeping control over your privacy. If you ever want to update these settings, just repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips on personalizing your X profile and making the most of your social media experience.